Hi guys and welcome. Well, I guess from the last all this video we've been doing, we're wondering how do I install an application in Kali Linux? Well, it's pretty simple. You go and be sudo first, sudo su, and you write the password there. And first, you first check whether the package of the application you want to download is there. For instance, maybe I want to download FTP. So you say apt catch search, and then you write the application type. So as you can see, I got a lot of them there. So now I want to install it. I first clear the screen. I just write apt get install FTP. So now I can't install FTP. It's already installed in Kali Linux. It's pre-installed there. Unlike in ParoToys where you have to install it manually, but in Kali Linux it's pre-installed. And you can also update and upgrade to Kali Linux, like where maybe the file you were looking for, the tool you wanted to install the package isn't there yet. So you can use the apt get updates. So now it's working on the object. It's just to download the updates and install them right there. But I'm not gonna wait for that because I already did that. So I'm going to press Ctrl and C so as to terminate. And you can also upgrade using apt get upgrade. So like I said, I already did update and upgrade a long time ago. So that's what you must do. As soon as you install Kali Linux, update and then upgrade it. Then you install the tools which you want to install. Maybe, okay, let me introduce you to GitHub. GitHub is a platform just like any other social media platform, but it's meant for developers, programmers, hackers, and other IT specialists. They share ideas, they share resources there. So maybe there's a tool which you want to download, which is so on GitHub, and you want to download that tool. You use the command git clone, git space clone, and then you write the name of the URL of the link, and then you put .git in front. So it's going to look for the URL. For instance, maybe I can say https what? I'm trying to think of a GitHub. What's there? Alright, anything that you write afterwards. Okay, so maybe it's http facebook.com. You say .git. That's how you do it. And then it's going to clone into Facebook. I'm going to Control C. I'm going to Control C again. I'm going to clear. I'm going to do ls. There's nothing there because there's nothing that was downloaded. But if you're on a network, you see us using that command later on as the course progresses. So that was it for today, guys. That was it for today. That was it, and see you next time.